Hi everybody, this is Joe from Joe's Premium Firewood, bringing another fun-filled, exciting video today. Today's video, I'm going to be trying out my saw cam again, and I'm going to make a video of how we cut limb wood off the back of a tailgate. It's a really efficient way, a two-man operation to make use of all the wood out here. As you can see, we're back here in the neighbor's woods, just cleaned up a walnut top here. And most of the wood's in the truck already, but the limb wood will fill up the rest of the area. So I'm out here with JPF employee Matt, and we're going to go ahead and give this a shot. I'm not sure what he's doing right now, just acting a fool. You know, that tree is rotted at the base, so if he falls, that's on him. So let me get this set up, and we'll do some cutting here. Hopefully it doesn't vibrate as much. I tried to get this on there real tight. And let's give her some hell. I think that looks like a good angle. Alright, Matt. Let's get her done. Hopefully that turns out good and there's not too much vibration like the last time, but that's how we do it. You get some loaded up here, and we have a nice pile we just throw right into the truck. So with that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, like Joe's Premium Firewood on Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.